Hello guys, welcome back to a Pentesters Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called a Mercy. So, what are the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So, the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: IP discovery and port scanning, browsing the IP and port, and decoding a base64 string, using a enum for Linux, a tool for enumerating the information of target machine, getting a login credentials to connect via SMB client, port knocking, discovering accessible directories on the victim machine, browse through a discovery directories, searching exploits via searchsploit, finding a login credentials for a Tomcat server, logging into a Tomcat server using a Metasploit, exploiting a misconfiguration in the target machine, use MSF enum for creating a payload on linear, getting a root access and read the root flag. So, first, open the terminal. So first we just type here as sudo su, enter our password. First we would like to do the IP discovery of the port and port scanning. So first you just type sudo su, enter your password. Then you just type net discover minus -80. So we have identified our target machine is here. Now you just type here as nmap minus repo minus s and aggressive scan, enter our targeted IP address. So we have identified here have a log. So we have already here an Apache Tomcat server. So we would like to visit to our targeted server. So you just enter our targeted IP address 192.168.18.51 and you just type 8080. That's it. So it's an Tomcat server where it was available here. Now you can look here, there is a special directory from here as tryharder and tryharder. So just copy this part, come back here. Let you just paste it here. So we have got as an base64 this one. Uh, so we would like to decode this one. So just type file new tab. Just type here as the Mercy. Just type clear. So let me just make it here. So you just type here as echo. Let it paste it here. Now you just type here as a base64 as decode. So it's annoying, but we would like to repeat this over again. A cyber hygiene is extremely important. Please stop setting a silly passwords that will get cracked. Any decent password list. Once found the password is a password, quite literally is sticking a post-it in front of employee's desk. As silly as it is, maybe an employee pleaded for a mercy when threatened to fire her. No fluffy bunnies. Okay, no worries. So we would like to come back here. So we would like to do here is for a Linux enter our target IP address 192.168.18.51. Now we would like to look here is a one is available with the QIU. So now uh, we are now going to log in with the credentials via SMB client using this QIU. Now we would like to use as SMB client. Now let's close this. We just type here as SMB client, enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.51 QIU and user as QIU. That's it. Password is a password only. Now we just type a list. Here have a list of all things. So now we just need to go to here is a private cd dot a private. I just type list here. There. Now we would like to go here as open set. So now just go to this directory. Now just type list here. Now we would like to get this as config. You just type here is get a config where I have got this as config. Now we would like to delete this. So you just type here as a exit. Now just type here. Now we just type here as a cat a config. Now we would like to look here. So we would like to where it is. So I would like to utilize this as for a knocking. So just come back here. So where I have opened this one, for open as such, open HTTP. So first I would like to do this one. Now let me, I just type here as clear. You just type here as a knock. If no have, you just type yes, enter your password. So let's fetch this. Now let me clear. So just type here as knock. Enter our targeted IP address 192.168.18.51. Enter this. What else you have copied? So don't give 159.27391 and 4 where which was done now. Now you just enter here as nmap, enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.851. So there we can see here port 80. Now it was open now for us. That's great. Now we would like to visit to the our targeted IP address. So just come back here. 192.168.18.51. This machine shall make you a plate for Mercy. Okay, no worries. So now we would like to go from here as a directory buster, HTTP, enter our targeted IP address 192.168.18.851. Let's see here what we would like to get it from here. So here I have got one is only with a robots.txt. So let's come back here. Let's go back. Sorry, not go. So let's type. So you just type here as a robots.txt. So here is available like a Mercy. So just copy this one. Come back here. So let's open this a Mercy. So here is an index. Welcome to Mercy. We hope you do not play a Mercy too much. If you do, please help us to upgrade our website to allow a visitors to obtain more than just a local time in our system. Okay, we would like to copy this a no Mercy. Now we just try here is a no Mercy. You can see here it is as a RIPS 0.53. Now we would like to utilize a such exploit. Now let's come back here, open the terminal. So just type here as clear. Now utilize here is a such exploit RIPS 0.853. So where I have got this one, so just type here as again a such exploit minus f 18660.txt. So where I have downloaded this one, so just type here as cat 1800060.txt, where we would like to go to from here entirely just copy here this for a local file inclusion. So just entirely just copy this here. We don't need to go here, so we just need to go from here from window, that's it. So just copy this one, come back here, let paste it. So there we have got it all here. So this is a super duper login user, another one is a floppy, that's it. So where we have identified here. Now we would like to identify here some other things, so just come back here. So we need to identify our Tomcat server where we have here. So we just type here as where lib. Now let's come back. We just type here as a Tomcat 7. Then we just type here as a config. Then Tomcat users.xml. where I have got it here, the username of this one, Fluffy, and this user. So we just get all here username. So now I would like to directly walk to the Metasploit. You just type here clear. You just type here as MSF console. So let's launch this MSF console. So where we have got this, so just type here as such Tomcat mgr upload. So you just type here as use 0. You just type clear here. Now you just type here as set lhost at remote target. Like address is 192.168.18.51. Sorry, I would like to put here as our host. I forget it by mistake. So now set our port is 8080. Set HTTP username is we would like to utilize this one is this is a super duper user login. Just come back. Now just type here as set HTTP password is, I just come back here. So just copy, come back here, let paste it. Now we would like to try here as a exploit. Now the exploit is done successfully. Now we just type here as shell. We just type id, we got here. So just type here as which Python we got here. So just type here as Python -c import pdy span bin bash, where we have logging into a Tomcat server. Now we know already there is a Fluffy, so just type su Fluffy. Now we would like to log in with the Fluffy as password is this one. So just copy, come back and paste it. So where we have login successfully. Now I just type here as ls minus here. So here in the Fluffy like have like some policies or XYZ things. So you just go to as cd home directory. Now just type here as export top equal to x top. Now just type here as here. Let's type plus minus here. So we would like to go here as cd a Fluffy. Now just type plus minus here. Now we would like to go to here as cd a private. Now let's type here as plus minus la cd secrets. Now just try this here. Now we just type here as a cat a time clock. So where a time clock is available with the local file inclusion. Okay, that's no worries, using with the bin bash. Now we are going to moving now. We need to create a bash scope using MSF now. So now let's come back here. So you just type here as MSF Venom. Then payload for a CMD. Then you would like to use as a Unix. Then reverse underscore a net cat. That's great. Lhost. We just need to know our targeted IP address. So just come back. So just type here as config is 139. So just copy this one. So let me I just put here as lhost equal to 139, then L port equal to 7890, then you specify for a raw data. So where it will create here as a netcat listener here. Now just entirely just copy this one. Now let's come back here. Now we just type here entirely of this one. So otherwise I just take entirely, just type here as echo. Then let me, I just paste it entirely here. Now I just type here as time clock. We just type here as time clock. CLOC. Okay. Now I just entirely just copy this. Now let's come back here. Let it paste it. So I guess we do here is a time clock where I have put this here as time. Now I would like to set up here as netcat minus lvnp 7890. Now let me just try here is just type here is clear. Now just type here this yeah. Now just type here as cat a time clock where everything is set up here. Now let's wait for 1 to 2 minutes. So we not yet get executed yet. So here is available. New to you, sir. So where we have successfully got the connected. Now just type ID. We are in the root. So just type here as switch Python. We got here. So just type here as Python minus C. Import a PDY span bin bash. That's it. So we came to a root already. So just type plus minus here. Now just type here as cat proof.txt. Congratulations on rooting this Mercy. That's it. So we have successfully completed this one. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.